He started with Desiderata. First to show quickness, others are running by the rail. His friend in the little portion comes One Vision. Twin Turbo comes next, Conquista Royal. Alongside comes Bachelor of Arts Fuego, while Ninjitsu is the early trailer. When going along for the first turn, we have Saki's friend, the early leader, Viral Link and Ihapa. One Vision is right behind in second. 4 lengths further back in third comes Desiderata. Next on Lena is Conquista Royal Fuego, Twin Turbo, Bachelor of Arts, while Ninjitsu is still running at the tail of the field. Down the backstretch they travel with Saki's friend, this time by about 4 lengths. One Vision still in second. Coming closer now in third is Desiderata. Twin Turbo is by the rail, then moving apart the outside now is Bachelor of Arts in the middle portion comes Conquista Royal, Fuego, Ninjitsu, and they are now entering the home stretch with Saki's friend, this time by about 3 lengths. Desiderata remains in second as they swing for home. Saki's friend, one of our long shots, maintaining a 3 lengths lead, and on the outside now is Desiderata with about 100 meters of the race. Saki's friend, Desiderata, moving up on the outside to take the lead, and finally it's Desiderata, Conquista Royal, Bachelor of Arts, Saki's friend, and Twin.
And that's race number 4, Desiderata doing 129.6 with quarters of 12.5, 23.5, 25, finishing at 28.5. That's Jackie D.H. Borbay Jr. on board Desiderata. 5.7821 nga yung ating unofficial placings para sa ating kaapat na karera, partner.
Yes. Kagaya na nabanggit mo, sumunod lang itong Desiderata at nang mag-falter si Saki's friend, tuloy-tuloy ang